Right, so let's go and have a look and see how John's getting on with the Ace. Video camera again. So you changed the pump?
Yeah, I just had a tiny little leak.
Why was he leaking on?
Just from the seamers.
Yeah, see the rust there, can't you?
Starting to go.
Again, that's through not draining down.
To be honest, I think it's the original pump for the van, so I would say it's just old age. Because we drained it down, so it would be drained down alright. So
you're not taking blame for it then?
No. There's probably a date stamp on here somewhere. Should be a date stamp, but...
It's lasted well then, anyway.
Yeah.
It doesn't. That is an old pump.
It is an old one,
yeah.
Isn't it?
So we put a show flow on, as you can just see down there. There's no point trying to fix them or anything, is it really? It's easy to just put a new one on.
No, I think they do seal kits, but because it looks pretty old, there's no point in trying to mess around with it.
Okay. What's the other problem? The step?
Yeah, the step is looks like the drive from the motor to the actual corner of the step is broken. I think I'm going to have to strip it further to basically the little square drive that comes through. It just looks like it's hanging off.
Right.
In fact, oh, there you go. You can pull it out.
It fell off.
Yeah. If you go the other side, you'll see it is broken.
Is it working?
The motor's working.
working.
Yeah, the motor's working fine. Just that either by that R clip or...
Where am I looking, John?
Where the R clip is, in the corner, so up there.
Yeah.
It's probably, you could probably see now where I've pulled it round. There should be a shiny bit.
Ah, yeah.
That's broken, so I think you can get a new one of those. So we'll have to have a look. Because the step's actually not that bad. There's no real massive play in it.
Are you taking the step off then?
No, I don't think you need to do it. I will have a look though.
Right. Anything else with this one?
No, I don't think at the moment. No, it's all pretty good.
Right. Heating working and everything? John? Is the heating working?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, heat works. It's only gas on this, so yeah, heating's fine. That's all been cleaned out, blown out.
We've got the trimmer one here as well, haven't we?
Yeah, it's the old style. That's just the blown air. That all works.
Ah, yeah. So that's just gas only then.
It has got electric on the water heater as well. That all works.
Yeah. And then we just gas on the
fire. Yeah.
fire.
And a very, very old microwave. Probably as old as the van. And it works.
So, a few jobs to do on the Ace. Can you bring me this motorhome over? And then I can give it to clean out tomorrow. John?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
Just seeing how it's going to put up.
I haven't got a clue what you said, Dan. It's more like...
Oh, just seeing if this does actually come apart. I think it might have to have a step.
A new step?
Yeah.
What's broke on it? That's what's broke on it.
Yeah, this is a drive, but it's really difficult to get off where it's cracked. But it's opened out, so all the nylon bushes has sort of been a bit stretched. So I don't think you get the nylon bushes with that kit.
Don't we want one of them?
Well, yeah, but it doesn't. That doesn't look like the picture though.
Have you had another look?
Yeah.
Right, we'll have to make a decision. Come get us this van over, then we can. So here's our electric step. There's the motor, there's the cogs, there's the other one, and there's the little piece off. And see how that's sheared off. So what we have got is new cog, another new one, and then there is the other piece. So I'll just get that out, hang on. So there we go. There's the broken one. There's the good one. So hopefully we can get that done now. Are you swapping everything on this, John?
Yeah, whatever's in the kit.
Do you want me to swap them over?
Huh?
Do you want me to swap them over?
No, it's alright, I'll do it.
I would say, don't you trust me?
Well, I haven't seen how it goes together.
Right. So, we've got the kit there. We've got that. We're going to replace that. We're going to replace those. Well, John's going to do them. It's his baby. He's started it all, so he's going to finish it all off.
So we're just going to head into John, see what he's up to. I believe he should be repairing an electric step. As you can see, the workshop is nice and messy today.
Yeah, so that is the new bit. Obviously you can see that it's broken.
So which part is it that's actually broken?
So this is the drive. So really and truly it's actually only just the little square drive that's broken, cracked all the way down. So we're just going to replace, well, we've got a whole kit, so we might as well replace everything we've got. So that is old.
How much will it cost to repair the step?
I think the kit was about 60 quid.
Plus your labour, of course.
Yeah. Although the new step was 300 quid, but it wasn't, from our supply, it wasn't quite the right one.
Is it the first time you repaired one of these?
Yeah. Trying to remember how it all goes back together. Grease in there. Where is the... motor. I see.
As you can see, all moving parts in there, so important to keep
Grease them
them
up.
greased for anyone who happens to be fixing an electric step.
Grease all the cogs. I think that was it.
What is it you're doing now, John?
So I'm just assembling getting the motor onto the actual step. All the gear and that's been replaced. Just making sure I've got all the bushes back on there.
I'm guessing this is a step off quite an old van, is it?
It's a 04, so yeah,
Okay.
2004. So yeah, pretty old van. I think you can probably still get the steps, but the rest of the actual step assembly isn't too bad. There's not too much wear. It was just a broken drive. I think we just elected to order a new step because it was in the catalogue, and it looked like that was probably going to be the best one. But when we got the step, it wasn't quite right. It didn't fit. So it was like, oh,
yeah.
Through our normal suppliers, we couldn't seem to get a repair kit, but we just went to a different supplier and managed to get a repair kit in the end. So we'll end up repairing it. At least it's right for the van. All the electronics is the same, so it's probably better to do it this way in hindsight. Right, there.
As you can see, we've got John now trying to fit fitting the step onto the motorhome. It's now got its new motor fitted. It looks quite awkward, to be fair. Right, hold everything.
Nah, it's not.
You done it then, John?
Yep, it's all done. Fully functioning step.
How do you know? Will it work?
Okay.
Try it. Look at that. Oh, what's your armrest going on there?
What's that say?
Have you broke it again?
Huh?
Have you broke it again? What aren't you happy with? Talk to me.
What is it?
Why what?
Take it up and down.
Hang on. Are you out of the way?
Yeah.
Watch yourself then. Can we bring it back down?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. Out.
Anything you can see?
No.
Back in? What is it you're not happy with?
Doesn't seem to extend all the way.
Do you need me now? John?
No.
Right, he'll do a little bit of messing with it just to get it right. So that's the step done, and I better break the bad news to him because his tap's just come as well for putting in the Ace. So I'll tell him that when he's finished doing the step. So you can have all the plans in the world, but with us we are very weathered down to the weather really. So today, as you can see, it's thrown it down. So if you remember yesterday, I cleaned off around the auto trail, then I was going to go up and do the roof. So today can't do that now because it's raining, as you can see. So I'll go on to do something else. I'll just check what John's doing. You do the pump, John?
No.
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 Why?
Doing the pump?
I mean, sorry, the tap.
Yeah, I've done it.
Have you done it?
Yeah.
Oh, all by yourself?
Hey?
All by yourself? So we've got a new tap on the Ace now, haven't we?
Yes.
Any leaks anywhere else?
No.
Look at you. So that's the tap done, that's the step done. Are we nearly done on this?
Yeah.
Right. And then now I've got the short straw for cleaning it out. And then this one can then go off to the customer who's brought the van. So, little Ace, all set up, all cleaned off, and it's all good to go now. And then look how well little Ace is all cleaned up. Someone's getting themselves a nice little van here now. So all we've got to do now, I'm going to do the handover video on it, and then it's good to go for the customer.